might ask me, what's the difference between a ghostwriter and a freelance writer? It's a great question, honestly, and one that comes up all the time. Many people use ghostwriter and freelance writer interchangeably. But here is some news for you. They are not the same. Hi friends, my name is Natasha Tynes. I'm an author, a journalist, and a ghostwriter. Let me break it down. Here is how to tell the difference between ghostwriting and freelance writing. Freelance writers work under their own name. They pitch articles, they write for publications, and build portfolios with their own bylines. Their work shows up as blogs, op-eds, and newsletters with their full credit. They're recognized for their voice, their ideas, and their expertise. Ghostwriters, on the other hand, are invisible by design. They capture someone else's voice so seamlessly that readers never know that they were involved. They write memoirs, thought leadership pieces, LinkedIn posts, TED Talks, and their names are not attached to it. They're behind the scenes, crafting words that sound like their clients, not like themselves. So, what's the key distinction? Ask yourself, whose voice is being written in? And whose name goes on the final piece? Freelance writers, they write with their own voice. Ghostwriters, they use the client voice. But that's not all. There's another big difference, which is ghostwriters can become trusted confidants. They hear the unfiltered truth, like the deepest secret, and they're bound by NDAs, which is non-disclosure agreements, to protect everyone. And that's a level of trust that goes far beyond just writing. And there's also other ways to tell the difference between ghostwriters and freelancers is that ghostwriters are collaborators while freelance writers are solo creators. Ghostwriters work with CEOs and others to shape their ideas, while freelancers often take assignments and run with it on their own. Freelance writers pitch, ghostwriters usually get hired. Ghostwriters are usually approached directly or referred for specific long-term projects. Freelance writers, they build public reputation, where ghostwriters, they keep private relationship, and ghostwriters, they build trust but behind closed doors. Project types are different as well. The turnaround for freelancers are way quicker, but ghostwriters can spend months working on memoirs or maybe a high stakes speech. And finally, the rates really different. Ghostwriters usually get paid more for complex projects like books or keynote speeches, while freelancers, get way less. Anyway, so if you're ever interested in discovering or learning more about the lucrative world of ghostwriting, and also very satisfying, you might want to check out my self-read course called Make Income from Ghostwriting. I link it in the description below. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment below. I would love to hear from you, and until we meet again.